Hello guys, my name is Arash. Welcome to my YouTube channel Data to Deploy. In this video I want to show you how you can use Cloudflare Worker AI to host your LLM models, and with OpenCode run your prompts and do whatever you want to do with these models. So basically there is another option. You can buy these LLM models subscription straight from the provider like OpenAI, Anthropic, DeepSeek, or any other providers. Or one option is to use Cloudflare Worker AI, where the LLM models are hosted on Cloudflare infrastructure. So keep watching, I will show you how you can run it. And also here I wrote the complete blog and step by step with screenshots and whatever you need to do all the steps and make anything you want with your LLM models. So let's go. First thing, you need to log into your Cloudflare account, or if you don't have, by clicking on sign up you can create your Cloudflare account. I put the link in the description. Also I put the blog link in the description, then you can read it. After you logged into your Cloudflare account, click here on AI, and we want to work on these two options, Workers AI and AI Gateway. Here with models you can see the models Cloudflare support. Cloudflare is hosting. Here you can see that some of them are third party and some of them are hosted on Cloudflare. Here you can see Cloudflare hosted. Then in OpenCode we can choose which model we want to use. So we click on AI Gateway, and here we can click on create a custom gateway, and here we can give it a name, for example my gateway, and then down here we click on create, and here you can see that our gateway have been created. Next thing we need to do is to create a token. By clicking on create token, here we can give it a name, for example my gateway token, and we can leave all these as it was when we click on create token. And also you should here we should choose include and just the account we have. Okay, if we click here we can choose all accounts or just one account. We should if you have multiple accounts, you should choose the one you want this token for that specific account, and then you click on create API token, and here the API token created. Here with this command you can go and test what you will get in the output. If I run this, you can see that, for example, success equal to true, and status active, which means that our API token is activated and working. Then we need to copy this API token, and after that we need to go to our OpenCode. Here if you don't know how you can install OpenCode, I explain it here. You can go to OpenCode website, or you can see, if you have MacBook, you can simply run this command in your terminal. Or here, this is OpenCode website. You can use based on your operating system, choose one of these, or click on download, and here based on your operating system download the desktop version. For example, if you have MacBook or Windows or Linux operating system. And also, for example, you can download OpenCode extensions directly into your IDE, for example VS Code, Cursor, or any of these which OpenCode supports. And after you installed your OpenCode and after you open your OpenCode, here we can simply write /connect and hit enter, and then we can choose our provider. We can write Cloudflare, and here we have two options. We should choose Cloudflare AI Gateway, and then here you should write your Cloudflare account ID, which we have it here. You can copy these numbers. You can copy it from down here. You can paste it here, enter, and your Cloudflare AI Gateway ID is the name we choose for our AI gateway. Here I choose my, you can also see it here, my dash gateway. I can copy it and simply paste it here and then hit enter. And the last part is gateway API token, which we generated by this part. We clicked on create token, and one thing you should pay attention to is to paste this token somewhere safe, so you have it. For example, here I copy these numbers and then I lost the token generated. I can simply generate another one, but if you paste it somewhere, then you can copy it again. And after that, I don't need to add all of these because I added before. After /connect, you can choose now you be connected to Cloudflare AI gateway. Then I can choose write models /models, and here write Cloudflare. And here in Cloudflare AI gateways, there are a bunch of models. Here you can see that Kimi, Cloudy, GLM, GPT, and many more. For example, for Google, Gemma, Nemotron for NVIDIA, and many more. DeepSeek, even Qwen, and then you can choose whichever you want. And one thing very important here I should tell you is that for free version, Cloudflare gives you 10,000 neurons per day. Okay, so it's a decent free neurons. You can use it. This is what Cloudflare call it, neurons. It's basically the tokens you can use when you write your prompts, and it's limited to 10,000, and it will refresh at 12:00 at midnight. It will refresh to new 10,000. So if you not want to work on very huge task, you can choose models with lower parameters. For example, instead of choosing 32 billion parameters, you can choose 8 billion parameters or even lower, so you can keep writing your prompts longer. For example, here I can choose one model as an example. Maybe some models give you error. You can choose different one. For example, I choose this one LLAMA 3.23 billion, and when I write hi, I should see it answer me. Here, for example, you can see that it gives me some error. I can choose another model. You should see which models are working. First, you need to stop it, then write it again. Here, after I tested and check what's the problem, here in the logs you can see that whichever model you are running, you can see that if you get error or the reason for the error, or if it's running successfully. Here, for example, you can see that some of them needed the LLM provider API key, and some models are deprecated, and some models are not available on free plan. Okay, and I find what we should do here. For example, this model has been deprecated. One thing I find is that in OpenCode you can connect, right, /connect, and here you can connect to Cloudflare Workers AI instead of AI Gateway. With the same setup we done in our Cloudflare, we created a custom AI gateway. We can here click on Cloudflare Workers AI. Here we can paste our Cloudflare account ID, this number, and then after entering you can paste our API token which we generated here, and after that we can choose our model. Okay, and for example here I choose Gemma for 26 billion, and when I write hey, it answers me very fast and show us that our model is working. And I don't know why this time takes so much time, but simply here you can see that this time after 17 seconds it answered me, but previous time after 7 seconds. And here in Workers AI tab we can see that how much tokens we have used so far in this day. Here you can see that we just these few hey command prompts I sent to the model, 73 neurons used out of 10,000 free neurons per day, and it resets at midnight. Here you can see that it will reset and you can use it again next day. Thank you guys, I hope you like this video. Now you can talk to your model and do whatever you want to do. That's it guys, I hope you like this video. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment and tell me have you ever tried LLM models, which models you used mostly, and have you ever tried Cloudflare for hosting your models or not. Thank you, bye for now.